Okay, whenever you're ready.
The topic of my speech is global warming real?
And I'm gonna let you start all over again.
Okay.
We're gonna learn one thing this semester. We're gonna learn one thing. One thing. I'm resetting here.
Never start off with a topic.
Never start out with "I'm going to talk about today."
Oh, okay, I'm not gonna.
Don't start. You start with your
Name.
attention device.
Okay.
All right. So we're starting now.
Hello, my name is Anthony Wong, and today I will be discussing global warming. Do you care about the Earth and the environment? The topic of discussion is global warming, and a lot of people disagree that global warming is not happening. I'd like to prove they are wrong. We are all affected by the situation, and one day your children will have to deal with this situation. Already we have been experiencing the effects of global warming, but if we don't do something about it, we'll continue to experience its effects. Today I will prove that global warming is real. I have researched the issues of global warming and found out that as much as I possibly can, to deliver a persuasive speech about global warming. Global warming is an extremely important topic to me because I know global warming is real crucial for us. It can keep us safe and protected now and in the future. The environment is clearly one of the most essential parts of our daily lives. Studying global warming requires extensive research and understanding, and I feel that today I will be able to share information with you. The simplest definition for global warming is gradual increase in Earth's temperature. Now I'd like to start my speech. The cause of global warming is greenhouse gases. The greenhouse gas that significantly increase the temperature on Earth is carbon dioxide. Human activity has been emitting carbon dioxide gases in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases trap the infrared radiation in the atmosphere and in return making the surface temperature hotter. The heat gets trapped in the atmosphere and the temperature on the Earth is hotter than before. Carbon dioxide emissions come from polluting the air. An example of carbon dioxide emissions is power plant pollutants. According to Dr. Tapio Snyder, carbon dioxide concentrations have been highest in 650,000 years. This is due to increased human pollution. The carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases is causing global warming. If we continue to pollute the Earth, the temperatures will increase even more in the future. Polluting the Earth has inevitably caused global warming. Here's a chart that shows all the greenhouse gases, and you can see that there's a big increase in between the year 2000 and the now. The effects of global warming. Now I'd like to discuss the effects of global warming. The effects of global warming are glacier masses melting and decreasing in size. According to Lonnie Thompson, glaciologist from Ohio State University, many glaciers are melting at a fast pace. Glaciers from Kilimanjaro to Africa to the Alps and to the glaciers in Antarctica are losing masses due to warmer climates. This expert testimony tells us that glaciers are melting because of global warming or is an increase in Earth's temperature. This expert testimony tells us that glaciers are melting around the world, and this is a similar pattern around the world. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Control, IPCC, states that glacier meltings will lead to more water melting, which can cause flooding or sea level rise. The permanent damage done to glaciers in response is global warming. More than 90% of glaciers will melt and continue to melt. Another effect of global warming is sea level rising. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Control, the sea levels around the world have risen 4.4 to 8.8 inches during the last 100 years. 4.4 to 8.8 is a lot because these effects cause flooding and makes the environment uninhabitable for many species and humans. These factors are causing sea level rising. The expansion of ocean waters caused by warmer ocean temperatures, the melting of mountain glaciers and smaller ice caps, the melting of the Greenland and Antarctica ice sheets. All of these instances must have a rise in temperature for this to occur. All these instances prove that there is a rise in temperature due to global warming. These instances will occur in the future. To conclude, I have proved that we are all experiencing the effects of global warming. Global warming's effects will continue to progress. We will continue to see sea level rising, glacier melting, and flooding. We must do something about global warming and find out what humans can do to prevent all these negative changes in our Earth. The longer we wait, I like to quote from Gerald Meal, the National Center for Atmospheric Research. The longer we wait to do something about it, the more negative changes we will have. Thank you for taking the time to listen to me and to prove that global warming is real. Hope everyone in the audience listened and learned something new today. Thank you.
Thank you. That was just about 5 minutes.